welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Allure beauty box unboxing. This is the first month of Allure being a new price and also new products and new value to this box. So I'm really excited to see what we got this month, so why don't we go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, this is the first month of the all new and improved Allure beauty box. So this is now going to be $23 a month. Previously it was $15 a month. So it's jumped up quite a bit in price, and it's supposed to have 6 items in every single box and be valued at over $200 per box. And for what I'm reading here, it also says that it will have at least 3 full-size items, so we are still going to have deluxe sizes in here too. But I'm very curious to see how this month turned out, so why don't we go ahead and open it. I will have the link down below in case you're interested in signing up for Allure. So I do get these boxes sent to me from Allure every single month, so I do not purchase these myself, but it's always a really good subscription service. I always recommend this one just because I feel like we get a lot of skincare products, which I love. I'm a skincare junkie at heart, so I just love skincare, and I feel like Allure really offers a lot of skincare, which I appreciate. But let's go ahead and look and see what we got. So we still have the same little magazine right inside of here with all of the info on all of the products. So let's go ahead and start and see what we got. So I'm seeing lots of skincare. Like I said, lots of skincare always. So the first thing is from Verso, and this is the Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. And here is what that one looks like. This one looks to be like a deluxe size, or actually this is probably a full size. I was like eye serum. This is definitely a full size if this is an eye serum. So let's go ahead and see the price. I haven't heard of this brand Verso before, but it retails for $65. So it says, after using the serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple and my under eye bags were less puffy. That is coming from a senior beauty editor at Allure. So definitely give this one a try and see how that works out for me. Let me know if you have any favorites from this brand. And then also in here we have from La La Rose Posay, I never can say that right, but this is their Lip Care AP Plus Lip Balm, and it's an intense moisturizing cream. Here is what that looks like. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box, and I think that this one is, yes, this is just a sample size here, so a little deluxe of that one. I have a picture here on the side of what the full size looks like. Let's go ahead and do a price on this one. So the full size on this one is $19.99. Okay, next up in here, this is from Dr. Jart, and this is the Cerminian, I'm so bad at pronouncing things, creme, and it's a moisture retention shield. So it says apply to your face to retain healthy, hydrated skin. So I'm guessing it's like a little moisturizer. Again, deluxe size. But with skincare, the thing that I say a lot with these unboxings is with skincare, I feel like you can really get, I feel like this, you would be able to tell if you like the product. And a lot of times with skincare, you know, everyone's skin reacts differently. So I like the idea that we get to sample things in here to see what we think of the full price. So the full size of this one is $48 for the full size. So far we only have one full size product, so I'm interested to see what else we have. This one here is a mask cream, and this is a Black Rose Cream Mask, and this one is from Sicily, Paris. Here's what that one looks like, another deluxe size, and let's go ahead and see about the full size of this mask. I don't really see anything on the full size of this one, so I'm not sure on the price on that one, but you could probably get a couple of uses on it. So it says use 2 to 3 times a week, wipe away excess after 10 to 15 minutes. So it says smoothing, plumping, and brightening, instant youth. So there's that. All right, and next in here we do have something that I'm familiar with. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and this one looks like their sample size or their travel size. And the price on the full size, I believe, actually I don't have this in my box right now, but I believe the full price on this one is $20, I think, for the deluxe size. I think it's like $30 for the full size, but that one there. And then let's see what else we have. We have something up next from Nude, Tropical C. It looks like this is going to be another serum. So it says fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines, smooths, brightens, and antioxidants. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So again, this is a newer brand to me, so I'm not sure about this, but it is a serum. It says mix with water, apply to clean skin daily. Interesting. It's a moisturizer, or you can mix it with water. Here's what it looks like. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand, and let's go ahead and see the price on this one. The price on this one is $70, so it's definitely a pricey serum. Interesting. I'll have to try this one. You guys have to let me know, like I said, if you've tried any of these. That's the thing I like too, is I feel like we get a lot of like newer brands that I get to test out, see what I think of the products. And then it looks like we still have a few more different things in here. So up next from Sigma, this is their liquid lipstick and in the shade Venom. And this looks to be a deluxe size as well. So here is that right there. And actually looks like a really pretty color, like a red. So I want to go ahead and give it a little swatch. I don't think I've tried Sigma's liquid lipsticks. I'm not sure, but there's a swatch of that color right there, Venom. Looks like a really nice red. I love reds, so that one is great. And then the price on this one, full size is $20, but this is just like a smaller size. I don't mind that in lip products because honestly, like who's gonna go through like a full liquid lipstick? Definitely in like a brighter shade too. I feel like that wouldn't, not that I say wouldn't happen because I've done it before, but I feel like getting smaller sizes is okay. And then it also has a nail polish in here from Static Nails. And this one is in the shade Irene. This is a really pretty like nude taupe shade. I really like this color, super cute. And the price on the nail polish is going to be $16. And then I think I just have a couple little samples in here. Oh, nope, I think these are actually products. So we have a hydrating collagen eye pad. So a eye gel right here, and then we also have from Native Fig, this is their replenishing shampoo and conditioner. So a conditioner and a shampoo in here as well with the eye patch. So that is everything for my Allure box. The price on the eye patches are $18 for 5 of them. So we are getting one in here. But all in all, I think this was a pretty good box. I definitely think we had a lot of sample sizes. See, full sizes, I think these said they were supposed to be like 3 or 4, but I think I only got 2 full-size things. I got actually 3. If you count the nail polish, that is technically full-size. So 1, we got the serum, and then we also got the full-size eye cream in here, and then everything else was deluxe size. We got everything else deluxe, the skincare products, and then we got the translucent powder and the deluxe lipstick. So I think it was a pretty good box, especially for the Laura Mercier. I know this is a little bit more of a pricier product, obviously the serums and everything. I think it was pretty good. I think that comparing it price-wise, because now this is like right up there with like BoxyCharm and everything, I'm gonna have to see like as the months go on if I think it is worth the value at the $23 mark. But I'll definitely keep you guys updated. You'll have to let me know what you think of this new boxes, if you're excited about them. I kind of think we are definitely getting a lot more in here, so I think that's exciting. But let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.